Hey guys, Isaac Wardell here, and I want to talk to you today about how to really save time when you're producing a lot of videos. If you produce a lot of videos like I do, 3 to 5 a week for one channel alone, and then you've got multiple channels, it can really add up to being a chore to develop a lot of videos. So I want to show you one of the things that I've done to help speed up the process. I do a lot of screen captures, and the beginning and ending of each of my videos is really the same. So what I've done is I've created a little project file I call template. I'm using Camtasia here, but this could work for any video editing software. And I've just pre-built out the beginning and the ending of each of my videos and put them in here. As you can see, I've got my little intro here all ready to go. I've even got my overlay titles ready to go. As you can see, this is not how it looks in the final production version of the video, pardon me there, but they're all in there. So all I got to do now is come up and import the little screen capture that I just did. If I gotta find it here, and come over to videos, and then I just did a one called let's see, where's it at here, download your YouTube videos, and as you can see there's a screen capture there, and then all I've got to do is drag that down here. I crop a little bit off of each end to you can kind of see where the audio starts, so just bring it there and you can kind of see where the audio ends, and I bring it in there. I just add a couple of transitions here, and I change the timing on them to half a second because 3 seconds is really too long for a transition in my opinion. Alright, and then I drag these titles over to the beginning of the video. So now when it plays, the little intro comes on, I come on, I start talking, there's the part right there that comes up that's saying who I am, my certification, and in this case my ending does not go on the end of a video. Mine actually is part of the video, so I'm just going to unlink the audio and video here. Usually you would just have this on the end of your video. I'm going to drag that over, delete the extra audio there, and try to get those lined up just right up here. And as you can see, they're just about lined up right. I may watch it just to make sure everything is hunky-dory, and it looks like it is. And I am done here except for saving the project. You want to save it as the new one because I don't want to save it as the template. And then I'm going to put it in here as download YouTube videos. It's actually download your YouTube videos. Click save, and then I'm ready to produce and share this video. All I've got to do is come in here now and export it, and I can actually be doing something else while this is exporting. But as you can see, that took me talking you through it took me 3 whole minutes. So you can imagine if I wasn't talking you through it and was just focused on it, it would have taken me less than that. And then of course I just go do something else while this renders, and then I upload it to YouTube. If you found this tip helpful, I've got a whole lot more free tips and demonstrations and free white papers and templates and materials, etc. on my website at isaacawardell.com. Just head on over there, and on the front page there's an opt-in form where you can opt in, and I'll send you an email with a link to the back end of my website where I've got all that stuff at. I look forward to seeing you over there.